Live and Karate Kid Restaurant. This event is sponsored by ISKF Philippines or the International Shotokan Karate Federation. It is composed of several black belts and color belts. Karate is composed of 3 parts: the Kihon, Kata, and the Kumite. Kihon is the basics, Kata is the forms, and Kumite is for sparring. ISKF believes that the 3 components of karate must be given equal importance.
The karateka to the right mat are practicing their sumo-uken. Karate not only focuses on punches and kicks but also on open hand techniques. This one that the karatekas are practicing is called the sumo-uken or the knife hands.
With careful consideration, we can see that the kids are using their hips to give out more power on their techniques. Hip twisting is commonly forgotten by beginners and especially trained by advanced students. In karate, instructions are given out in Japanese. For beginners, we are translated to English. We'd like to thank our sponsors.